Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today, I will be sharing my living room. I've been working on it and still working on it, but for the most part, it is completed. I have a few things that I'm still tweaking, but want to show it at the state that it's in right now. So let's jump right in. I'm starting off at my front door here, where I have placed this rug. I picked this rug up at Ross. Actually, I picked up two, and you'll see the other one in a minute. Needed something here bigger than what I had here, and this has been working beautifully. It's in the gray and off-white tone. The wall next to my front door, and I consider this my foyer now, where I had a table set. It was not working because the door interfered with it when you opened. But this is the mirror I had already, along with the lamps. But I put out a few things for Easter and spring. This cross I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and these rabbits last year. They do still have this cross in Hobby Lobby this year. He is not here. He has risen. Matthew 28:6. Down below, I have this bunny here, this marquee bunny. That is sitting on a mirrored silver tray that I had already. The bunny I picked up from Old Time Pottery last year. And guys, I still have not changed out this picture yet, but I'm working on it. I'm trying to get my family all together, which has been a very difficult feat, to do a spring pick. So if you haven't noticed, or you can barely tell because this is a gloomy day here in Florida, I've painted my walls to a grayish tan color. Those are new window panels, the gray ones. I left the white panels as is, but the gray ones there, I changed out. I picked those up from Ross as a set of 4. Down below, you see Mr. Franklin the turtle. He's still here. He's not going anywhere. So I kept him in here. Have him sitting by this mirrored table here. Here is one of 2 love seats that I have in my living room. I'm gonna go pan over the pillows here. This first pillow, I have 2 of them. You'll see it on the other love seat. But these pillows I picked up from Marshall's. They are so pretty. They have some little glittery effects to them, or sequence effects to them. Very pretty. And the rest of these pillows are actually pillow covers that I picked up from Hobby Lobby when they were clearanced. The most that I paid for these pillow covers is about $4. I'm trying to use more of pillow covers now than pillows. Over here to the right is a clock that I picked up from Family Dollar for $20. Very beautiful clock. And moving down, that's a lamp that I picked up a while ago from my Goodwill boutique. over in Winter Park, Florida. I have my bling bling there. I picked up that little decor there from Hobby Lobby. And this chest I picked up from Home Goods for $89. Clearance, guys. Right here in front of that love seat is a glass table with silver legs. Guys, I found this coffee table at Goodwill for $9.99. And I just have my bling trays with some home decor. My Bath and Body Works lantern. My roses there that I made myself out of a Target one spot vase from years ago. And here is the other rug here. This is a larger one than the one that's at my door, my front door. Again, both of these rugs I picked up at Ross. Now here is the other love seat here with the same pillows. But next to that love seat, I picked up two ottomans here. They can't open, so I can store items inside. And what I'm planning on doing, I'm planning on blinging out those buttons there. You guys know me. Now this area here, I'm working on right now. I'm working on a piece of art that I want to do for this wall here. But I placed this ottoman, another ottoman here that I had for a couple of years now. I picked this one up as well at Goodwill, and I just placed another pillow there. That pillow there also came from Marshall's, and the silver pillow is actually a pillow cover. And on the wall that you see when you first come in the door is this bookcase here. This is the focal wall, and I wanted something that kind of stood out, and this wows everybody. And these are just bookcases, simple bookcases from Walmart. It's 3 of them here, and they run you about $27 each. And I've just placed 3 on this wall. I'm still playing with it, but for the most part I have all of my decor that I want on these bookcases. I'm going to work with the top. I'm also thinking about adding some molding to it. Have flowers that I have redone that I picked up from my SPCA thrift. A lot of these items on here I picked up from a thrift store. But guys, this is my living room so far. I'm loving it. Family loves it. Just by using neutral colors, which I love about that also, because I can put any pop of color in here now and it will just change the whole feel of my space. Well guys, that is the end of this video. If you've enjoyed it, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by pushing that subscribe button and subscribing to the channel. I can be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care. You be blessed. And I will see you on the next video. Love you guys.